At Spartan Controls, we have found that our customers who have purchased or are purchasing meters in government-regulated custody transfer or plant balance applications have been challenged with increased demands by regulatory bodies, difficulties with in situ meter proving, and long turnaround delays with high maintenance costs related to off-site meter proving. In an effort to support our valued customers, we have invested in a master meter proving stand. This factory-certified NIST traceable meter calibration stand provides volumetric, mass, and density calibrations on a wide range of meter technologies and sizes. The stand utilizes multiple micromotion master meters, calibrated to accuracy specifications of better than 0.05%. With a tank capacity of 8,500 liters and 2 parallel centrifugal pumps, the stand is capable of cycling clean water through test meters at rates ranging from 15 all the way up to 4,000 liters per minute. The stand has capabilities to prove half-inch all the way up to 10-inch micromotion meters and up to 6-inch rose mount mag meters to within their published factory specifications. Additionally, vortex meters from half-inch to 6-inch can be verified for good repeatability and accuracy. All of these sizes and types of meters in the past would have been sent out of the country for calibration and verification. By utilizing a sophisticated ROC 800L proving flow computer, our master meter proving stand gathers all device I/O, performs all proven calculations, and creates professional calibration reports that are stored to a customer profile database. Utilizing our hydraulic ram mechanism allows for quick and boltless installations of test meters, enabling us to offer same-day turnaround capabilities for emergency situations, with standard turnaround times of 1 to 2 weeks on meters that are provided to us pre-cleaned. Whether you require annual proving for regulatory purposes, repair, testing, or accuracy verification where meters' performance is in question, our experienced factory-trained and certified technicians will ensure all your needs are met. Visit our website or call us for more information.